You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. In English, the spelling is a bit confusing, isn't it? But the pronunciation is fairly straightforward once you know American English and British English and American English are quite similar here, so it's easy. Espoused. Let's break it down. Spoused. Spoused. The stress is on this spoused syllable. Let's listen carefully again at this English pronunciation. How to pronounce espoused. Espoused. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.